Hello everyone, good morning or good evening, wherever you are watching this from.
Today's topic is a big one. Do data scientists need a PhD degree? Let's break this myth and uncover the truth behind it. Earlier, data science was dominated by researchers and academics. Most of them had PhDs, and that was considered the standard back then. But the landscape has changed. Today, most data scientists in the industry don't hold a PhD, and that's perfectly fine. Employers now focus more on strong problem-solving abilities, your capacity to handle real-world data challenges creatively. They value professionals who have a solid programming background, a good understanding of statistics and mathematics, and hands-on expertise in AI and machine learning models. And beyond technical skills, employers love data storytellers, people who can interpret insights and communicate them clearly. Domain knowledge adds even more value. So what are employers really looking for? A curious mind, practical experience, and strong communication skills, not necessarily a PhD degree. However, having a PhD can be beneficial, especially if you're interested in research or innovation. For example, joining OpenAI or working on advanced R&D projects often requires one. So to conclude, a PhD is not a ticket to data science anymore. What you truly need is a learning mindset, practical skills, and hands-on projects.